Hello, okay, so I wanted to talk about the WP Rocket. If you do use WordPress as your CMS, content management system, like I do, I have been using this for years, and then you know that even though you work hard setting up your website, you get the theme installed and everything, lots of plugins. It doesn't matter the hosting that you have. I've been using so many hosting services in the past decade or so. There's still the loading time is not perfect, okay? And you do need something to help you enhance the speed of your website so you can be in a better position when you're doing like a search on search engines, okay, like Google and Bing and so on. And I came across this WP Rocket, and I've been trying, and it's really cool. And I just wanted to share with you. And let's say I have one of my friend's website. He asked me to look at, and I'm gonna show you in real time how it works. So I'm just gonna go through and just have a look, do a test, but it does help with the performance. It does all the work for you in the background. You don't need to be like super techy to go through it, and you can use. And it's just fantastic. I just thought share with you guys, and you're definitely worth it. So you can buy like for one website or for 3 websites, or unlimited if you have so many clients, if you work with multiple websites. And I think one website starts from $59, and 3 websites is $100 US dollars. Unlimited is $299, something like that. But not so much about the price, but the benefits, the value that you get from it is amazing, and I think you're worth it. So right now it's just fetching all the details of the website. They are doing some tests and some performance, so let's have a look. Okay, as you can see, right now the website is saying that based within these calculations and tests, as it stands, the website is really good. Honestly, it's not a bad website. If I show you here, mymobility.co.uk, the website, performs quite well. The images are pretty good. They are not big and heavy, and it navigates through quite well. It's like I said, it's not a bad website, right? But even though we spend a lot of time optimizing the website, we still get these latest, largest contentful paint LCP 7.1 seconds, and the CLS 0.36. It's just saying, the overall without WP Rocket 17. And with WP Rocket, it is claimed to be 90. So let's try and see if it does what it says on the tin, right? So I'm gonna try real time with you guys. And like I said, these are the prices. Display in dollars, you can display in euro as well, depending where you are in the world. I am going to get, it's 119. Because I am in Britain, just in my head, I just thought, it's around £100 UK money. So I'm gonna get for 3 websites, because I have another 2 websites I'm gonna go for. And I'm just gonna go and do the process. So I'm just gonna pause for a bit because I don't want you to see my details. Okay, the other good thing about the payment has gone through now, is that you have 14 days to change your mind, so you can try it out, and if you see it doesn't work for me, then you can request that, which is quite good. So let's go and proceed with the installation. So let's go. I can download here, which I think would be best if I download. There we go, I've got it on my downloads folder, fine. So I'm going to access my WP admin. So after you log into WP admin, you just go and upload the plugin. As you know by now, I assume that if you're watching these, you know what you're doing. So I'm not going to get into too much details around these. So let me just move this window a little bit. Okay, let's install it. Okay, let's activate the plugin. Okay, so the plugin is active. So let's have a look. WP Rocket. Oh, it's just there. Settings. Sometimes it installs in different places, and let's just close a bit of these things off. Okay, so nice one. So I can log in. So you can even install before you actually have your login. But I'm just gonna log in, view my account. So I just need to go to my email and check it out. Okay, brilliant. After you sign up, after you log in, you'll be able to see your details here, right? Now you just need to log in, view my account. And mobility is linked, as you can see here. Let's just refresh these details. You can go through the cache, file optimization, media, hence rules, database, CDN, great, heartbeat, everything. So now I'm gonna go through a series of going through the tool, and I'll come back with the results. Stay put. Okay, so now that I have installed, and it does say congratulations, it is now active, and it claims that your website should be loading faster by now. I would like to run a test. So, but going into the website and running the test again here, it doesn't work like as in the first time, because it knows that this plugin is installed in your URL, so you cannot run the test like you did before to compare before and after. I'm using GT metrics to run it, so I'm just gonna do that. So mymobilityuk.co.uk, test your site, and then let's have a look. Let's see what's he comes back with. Okay, so yeah, performance 78, structured 98. Okay, that's not too bad. 2.44 seconds is not the end of the world, but obviously less is better. I think it's better than before, to be honest. There are a few things that I could improve. It looks good. Performance, first content paint 1.4, speed index 2.3, largest content paint 2.4. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, there's a few things I can go through and play. What I'd suggest is just to go through, play with the settings, go around and have a look what works for you. Of course, it depends on each website, but I think it's a nice plugin in comparison to others I have tried before, and I'll give it a go, and I'll keep you guys posted. So the link I have in the description, it's a sponsored link. You can have a look if you want, or if not, you just search for WP Rocket. If you want to support what I'm doing here and sharing these contents with you guys, I'll keep you posted, like I said. And if you do like these videos, give the thumbs up, subscribe, make sure you ring the notification bell, so the algorithms can keep you posted on whenever I share something in here for you. And thank you.